Welcome to Sichuan Huayin Intelligent Manufacturing New Material Technology Corporation Limited. We are a professional metal alloy powder factory. With top Vega machines, we can produce wide scope of high-end metal powder. The powders are with good corrosion resistance, low porosity, high purity, good flowability, and low defect. Our products covers ceramic powder, nickel-based powder, super steel powder, stainless steel powder, cobalt-based powder, copper-based powder. Those powders are applied for many industries, typically including PTA welding, HVOF spraying, laser cladding, HVAF spraying, 3D printing. For more details, please contact us.